I again have the list of the farmers who had committed suicide in Adilabad, Khammam and Warangal, where the Minister Saab says that rainfall was normal, crop was satisfactory. And the committee constituted by the government says that the farmers who have committed suicide in Adilabad and Khammam, the reason for that is the failure of crop. So, sir, I really want to know, sir, what is this? Where are we going, sir? So the report further reveals that 53.1% of 14.5 of small farmers who committed suicide were reported in Telangana. 366 out of 2,516 during 2014, sir. This is the report, not my figures, sir. National Sample Survey Organization, sir, NSSO, sir. Sir, again then we go. Percentage of outstanding loans from money lenders. I don't know. Is the House aware of that? Sir, the main reason is that I have the figures again I will give, sir. Sir, percentage of outstanding loan from the money lenders, Telangana is the number one state in entire country. 60.3%. Again, this is not my figures. Am I wrong or right? So what are we doing to curb the private money lenders? What are we doing? How many people had applied, sir? I would like to ask the Honorable Minister Saab. Minister Saab, क्या आप मुझे बता सकेंगे कि कितने लोगों ने वो किसान का कार्ड, that किसान कार्ड के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं? More than 1 lakh people had applied for that kisan card. In that, only 80,000 people were given that kisan card. Is this what the farmers expected from the state of Telangana? And this is why they wanted their own state of Telangana? 1 लाख से ज्यादा लोग फार्म का कार्ड के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं और हुकूमत में उतनी ताकत भी नहीं है, उतनी इस्तेताअत भी नहीं है, उतनी काबिलियत भी नहीं है कि अप्लाई करने वालों को किसान कार्ड दे सकें. किसान कार्ड नहीं मिला, बैंक से लोन नहीं मिला, इंश्योरेंस नहीं मिलता. They don't get insurance, they don't get bank loans. They are forced to go to private money lenders. Are we going to do anything about that? Is a question mark, sir. Sir, of the average outstanding loans of rupees 47,000 at the all India level, about 26% of loan is taken from the money lenders. There are again wide variation within the state of Telangana, where when I said it is more than 50% outstanding, sir. Sir, these are the issues which we need to curb, which we need to take care. लेकिन क्या कर रहे हैं हम? कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं. किसान रोज मर रहा है, अपनी जान दे रहा है और हम अपनी सियासी दुकान को चमकाने में लगे हैं. ऐसे नहीं होगा. So portion of agricultural household with outstanding loans, again 89.1% is the share of Telangana state. Total amount of outstanding loan as per agricultural household, Telangana 93,500, sir. ये फिगर्स है ये सारी. तो ये फिगर्स के बाद में सर क्यों ये किसान खुदकशी कर रहे हैं, एक सवाल उठता है सर. Sir, a single village in Telangana, Chief Minister's home district Medak has recorded 34 farmers suicide, 5 of them after the new state. Sir, और इसके बाद में और अगर हम आगे जाते हैं सर, my question is that when Honorable Minister Saab's statement has blamed only rain gods, who's stopping the government to declare a drought for this districts? Is anybody stopping? Why don't you declare a drought? When you claim that our state is the second richest state after Gujarat, who's stopping? Is the finances stopping? Is the money stopping? What is stopping you to declare drought? Why aren't you declaring drought? Is the question. और फिर आज 15 महीने में I was hearing to my speeches of my learned friend Jeevan Reddy Saab, then Dr. Lakshman, then Vice, our party's leader. Everybody said that more than 1,000, almost 1,400. That means 30 farmers a month Again, that means one farmer a day. Every day one farmer is dying. Every day one farmer is dying. Let us not blame each other. ये गवर्नमेंट थी ऐसा करे, वो गवर्नमेंट थी ऐसा करे, 10 साल पहले आप थे. I also saw a statement. Of my very good friend, learned friend, Mr. KTR साहब. तेलुगु पेपर में आया है साहब. Please, who's responsible for farmer suicide? उसके ऊपर जवाब दिए. KTR साहब पेपर में आया है कि 5 साल बाद हमसे पूछना. तो सर
प्लीज साइलेंस.
मैं आपकी बात को मानता हूं. चलिए 5 साल बाद, आई ऑल्सो अग्री, इट्स अ न्यू स्टेट. द इनजस्ट बीइंग डन टू आवर स्टेट फॉर years and years together cannot be settled in a short time. But I would like to know from the Honorable Minister, does he stand with the statement that we have to wait for 5 years? I would like to know. If
Please.
sir, if not for 5 years, please give this House an assurance that if from tomorrow not a single farmer is going to commit suicide, then I would say that yes, this government is doing something. I want to have results of this debate. We should have a result of this debate. A strong message, एक मजबूत पैगाम हमको भेजना है यहां से फार्मर्स को कि ये हम करेंगे, ऐसा करेंगे, ये करेंगे, ये हमारा प्रोग्राम है, हम ये देंगे, वो देंगे. ऐसा नहीं होना है. जैसा मैंने एक कहानी सुनाई थी, बादशाह के दरबार में एक गाने वाले ने गाना गाया था. बादशाह ने कहा वाह 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 वाह, क्या गाया क्या गाया. वो क्या गाया, उसको हीरे दे दिए, मोती दे दिए, अशरफी दे दिए. गाना खत्म हुआ, गाने वाला दरबार में गया, कहने लगा बादशाह आपने मेरे गाने पे जमीन दी, हीरे दिए, मोती दिए, अब तक कुछ नहीं मिला. तो बादशाह कहता है अरे बाबा ये लेने देने की बात कहां से है, तूने मेरे कान को खुश किया, मैंने तेरे कान को खुश. ऐसा नहीं होना है. ऐसा नहीं होना है कि मैं कुछ कह रहा हूं आप मेरा जवाब दें, बल्कि हमको यहां से किसानों को जवाब देना होगा, किसानों तक पैगाम पहुंचाना होगा, किसानों को यह बात कहना होगा कि बंद करो खुदकशी, यह हुकूमत तुम्हारी है, हम तुम्हारे हैं, हमारे नजर में तुम्हारी जान की अहमियत है, तुम्हारे खानदान की खुशहाली की जिम्मेदारी हमारी है, और हम इन इक़दामात के जरिए तुम्हारी जिंदगियों के अंधेरों को दूर करेंगे और उजालों को लाएंगे. यह पैगाम देना है. We have to give this, but this thing is not happening, sir. और मैं ये भी जरूर कहूंगा सर, in the last 2 decades, from the time of TDP rule in undivided AP, in 1995, thousands of farmers have ended their lives in despair. Chandrababu Naidu Sahab had refused to provide ex gratia then, but I remember. Once again, I remember the late leader, Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, sir. He has waived the complete loans of the farmers. If I'm wrong, I may be corrected, sir. One-time state. Now, the government proposes to waive the loan in 1, 2, 3 installments, 4 installments. कौन जीता है तेरे जुल्फ के सर होने तक? किसी शायर ने क्या खूब कहा है कि आह को चाहिए एक उम्र असर होने तक, कौन जीता है तेरे जुल्फ के सर होने तक. 4 इंस्टॉलमेंट साहब कब होगा? तो आई रिक्वेस्ट है, ए वन टाइम सेटलमेंट करिए, एक ही वक्त में दे दीजिए. अरे हम सेकंड रिचेस्ट स्टेट है ना भाई. सर, आर वी नॉट द सेकंड रिचेस्ट स्टेट एज पर द बजट एस्टिमेट्स एंड द बजट प्रेजेंटेड, एंड इट इज अ सरप्लस स्टेट. सरप्लस स्टेट में पैसा रहने के बाद क्यों तरसा रहे हो किसानों को, क्यों तड़पा रहे हो किसानों को, यह सवाल है. दे दीजिए उनको. सर, मोर देन द फेलियर ऑफ मानसून, सर, resulting in drought condition in large part of the state, I feel the government has failed to inspire confidence among the farmers about its sincerity to tackle the problem affecting the farm sector. The recurring suicide are a grim reminder that half-hearted measures would not help to tackle these crises. Sir. So the TRS has promised to loan waiver, sir. Sir,
Please conclude.
sir, I'll conclude in 15 minutes, sir. Request, sir.
2 minutes.
यही है साहब, यही है. पहले तो हम बोलना नहीं चाहते, बोले तो सुनना नहीं चाहते और हंसना चाहते हैं लोग.
नहीं, इतना-
वहां किसान मर रहा है,
इतना टाइम
अफसोस
देने के बाद
यहां
भी
लोग
वो
बैठ के
बात
हंस
करता
रहे
है।
हैं. मीडिया आज बहुत ताकतवर हो चुका है. प्लीज डू नॉट टेक मीडिया फॉर ग्रांटेड. All the people are laughing when I'm speaking. I would like to remind you that you are being voted. I have come to power because of the farmers. Because of the farmers.
Please.
और आज आप you are laughing at the farmers.
నేను సవాల్ మళ్ళీ విసురుతా ఉన్నా. కేసీఆర్ గారు నాకు ఫోన్ చేసిందంటే నిన్న రాత్రి నేను రాజీనామా చేస్తా, లేదంటే చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు రాజీనామా చేస్తానని అడగండి. ఎందుకు మరి